In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Desk. Whether you're new to Zoho Desk or just looking for a refresher, I'll walk you through the basics to help you manage your customer support more effectively. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into your Zoho account and navigate to Zoho Desk. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. This is your command center, where all the essential features for managing customer support are at your fingertips. Now, let's take a closer look at what you can do here. One of the key areas you'll want to explore is the HQ section. This area provides a bird's-eye view of your support performance. You can access key metrics such as the number of tickets, response times, and resolution rates. This overview is invaluable because it gives you a sense of how your team is performing at a glance and helps you identify areas that might need more attention. Moving on, we have the Team Feeds tab. This feature is something like a live update stream, showing real-time information on ticket activities. You'll see notifications for new tickets, resolutions, and actions taken by your team members. Staying updated in this way ensures you're always in the loop about what's happening, and it highlights urgent issues that might need immediate action. Next up is the Agent Queue, your personal workspace. Here, you can see all the tickets that have been specifically assigned to you. This section is where you'll manage your daily tasks, providing a structured way to handle incoming support requests. You can efficiently filter these tickets by priority, status, or due date, allowing you to focus on what's most urgent and important. If you're in a position where you need to see the bigger picture, the Team Queue is where you'll want to focus your attention. This feature displays tickets assigned to your entire team, making it particularly useful for managers or team leads. It provides a comprehensive overview of the team's workload, and like with the Agent Queue, you can filter tickets by customer, priority, or status. This ensures that no ticket goes unnoticed or unattended. To keep everything organized, Zoho Desk allows you to use tags. Tags are a versatile tool for categorizing tickets based on their type, issue, or priority. Assigning tags helps you quickly search and filter through tickets, which is especially helpful when dealing with a large volume. Using tags not only enhances organization, but also makes it easier to find related tickets when needed. As we wrap up, remember these final tips for effective use of Zoho Desk. Keep an eye on the HQ section for valuable performance insights. Stay updated with the team feeds. Use the Agent Queue for managing your personal tasks. Leverage the Team Queue for team-level oversight. And organize and filter tickets efficiently with tags. With these steps and tips, you're set to make the most of Zoho Desk's powerful features to enhance your customer support operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find Zoho Desk as beneficial for your team as many others do.